Roger,
Yeah.
who pick up a sour sap off my tree?
Fambo, I mean pick it sour sap, brother. I pick it sour sap, but I never want to put it on the ground, so I put it aside in the bush because I want to car drive over.
See fucking veranda, yeah.
I forgot it. I did go up the road, bro. I'm never want to jump off a tree. I see it drop and I catch it.
You cannot drop, you have to pick it, Bridget.
I see me see it drop and I catch it. I see ripe.
So with the right, but with the needle mark in it for?
Which needle mark? Probably a bird or something, I don't know.
You feel like me, I make no comparison. I tell you stop coming my yard, Bridget.
At least I'm there when you forward this time. You're there. You say me nothing forward when you're there. I follow, make sure I forward when you're there. When you're there,
so when you never just come tell me this morning, say you pick the blood clot sour sap, Bridget.
And since even I see the video, I never remember, that's what me never remember about this. So when I see the video, I say, Ross, I watch the sour sap and then I see Fambo go so. Yeah, with the colors, I say, watch out. This sour sap.
Thank God, you know, say, come see the sour sap at the gate, I say, them think them are going to blood clot poison me. You think them are poison me? Bridget, let's do them something there, Bridget.
Never just a why. If I see them things, I know I get that them.
I take sure.
Huh?
I take one sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Well, like, if I like you, you don't like me, and I don't like you.
I bet you not come back over here. You're in school now. You go on. See who hold back like when you drink off? Smoke out the whole of weed. You can't drink me out, but you can't name me out. I get alone can't name me out.
Right.
You can't drink out my...
I get alone them out, but...
Yeah, but so you can't drink me out. But nobody can name me out. Be good, man. Be good.
Why is that? Why drink you out? Not drink out, no, man.
So I say, don't come back at my yard. I say, don't come black at my yard.
Yeah, don't come black at your yard, yeah. The back, the BC.
So I can't say, 1, 2, 3. 1, 3.
Yeah, I can say 1, 2, 3. But now I give them boy a number.
Future Fambo, manners and respect. Hear me I say, please and thanks, just make me piece of food reach my brother. You use my style, me never gear it. You use my style, you steal it. And I make be millions off of my style, Future Fambo. You will sing rum and Red Bull. Bro, let me get my money, please. Please, Future Fambo. This message, it must reach. Yeah, I want my food. You use my style. I want my money. I'm the baddest artist that around to Canada. You can't go up on the internet and keep my style, Future Fambo, and think you're going to go away the whole of the money. You have to give me a piece of the food. Stop me food, cheap man, dark. You deaf? Me name Taliak. Fambo, don't let me ever come for my money myself, Future Fambo. I tell you. Can me come and put me in your pocket and take every dollar out of your pocket. Don't make me have to do it. Bring my money come, please. Future Fambo, don't let me ever come for my money myself, Future Fambo. I tell you. Can me come and put me in your pocket and take every dollar out of your pocket.
So, as of today, no more handshake. No more fist. It's elbow or Bluetooth. So the way over there, so I'm do over here. So Fambo what go on. Bluetooth here. Bluetooth. Fambo. Bluetooth. Oi. Red light. Me no like Bluetooth here. No more handshake. No sir. Like Corona still the boat. I want to touch nobody hand. Sorry. Nobody not touch nobody. Yeah. A Bluetooth here. Once you got the place, you ask them if they got Wi-Fi. They have Wi-Fi. So if they got Sharkies, if you got Fridays, if you got Triple T, if you got Usain Bolt restaurant, care about the man $12 million. We don't know who take it. But anything is just Bluetooth here. We don't have to touch nobody. You understand? So what go on, Bridget? Bluetooth here. You understand? Girl then can hug you up. You understand? Bluetooth. Bluetooth here. If your Wi-Fi is strong, you understand? I tell you. Yeah? And you need somebody like chicken dead, chicken can't do it. We need a good liar. Cause you is a pity body girl and you cannot war with a rhinoceros. You understand? You understand? Remember the only woman that was driving a car and the 4 tire punch at one time, you know. You understand? Bluetooth. You understand? So them over there, so Africa, you don't have to talk to them. You can't call anybody name. Because Friday on TikTok, you know, influencer. Remember, say Sudan, them Sudan away for money, you know. They not no publishing. Shoot this, we sang them sing. Girl go on the talking skill with the back go on. And it say, one at a time, please. Is no 8 people on this. 8 people should we like. Because if she die, then who are gonna really care that they coffin there? Who will care that? That's glad. They have got bury her now and dump a truck back. I never seen nothing like this to go whole like graveyard. You're mad, man. Oh, you have your petite body now argue with rhinoceros. God bless everybody though. Big, fatter, ugly, gorilla, King Kong. God bless everybody. But anyway, them see me. Remember Bluetooth here. I want back my jerk pork and buy an organizer. I'm a 2 strawberry daiquiri. But take it back from them. You can't sell it in a gift. Let's say you know I love it like cook food. Yes sir, Bluetooth here. No shit about the hand. Just Bluetooth. You know what I say? So Bluetooth here. I go Bluetooth.
What you fucking know? This man I write book this and he see me and he choose to turn back for just to go whole conversation with me. See me go see. Oh. There man. Yeah. Yeah.
You got any up there?
Yeah.
I'm going to cast a rail with you, Iron.
Oh.
You look safety, you know.
Thanks.
Yeah, the boat later. But leave me that later.
Eh?
Leave me that later.
Thank you, Jansen. Thank you for you.
We got something more from us.
When me promise you?
Yeah.
When me promise you nothing?
Long way I got.
Me? You say you lie?
I'm going to put that like something.
Me?
Yeah, man.
So, now you did a look me granny?
Your granny?
Mm-hmm.
Your granny? Yo, me a star a friend, you know. So who does my little granny? How you know my little granny?
I never you.
Okay.
You sure?
Your granny car one time. Promise her so cast her. You take me picture though.
I'll take a picture.
So you hold the phone, sir.
No.
Let me picture you happy. Your granny says you're pain in her foot. When Star dead, the promise is on cast her.
Yes, sir. So.
I never look me, I look her.
Probably you never use your darling.
Oh. Are you me or look?
Yeah, look me.
Young girl, me love you. Yeah, me love you.
Answer you. Oh, blood clot.